what's next for Rain or Shine? But before that, pasadahan muna natin yung naging laban nila kontra Meralco Bolts. Coach Sheng opted to start Pringle na baka pumutok, pero time is calling out. Meron na namang Adrian Nocum who is fully locked in this game with his top and pop midi. Pero merong Chris Newsome, yung Meralco Bolts, na pagdating sa mga ganitong moments is aasahan talagang mag-show up. Makes the 3-point shot, then dish it off to CJ Cancino for another 3-point shot. Pero naging good help yung bench ng Ross to have the lead sa first period. Sa second quarter, it was all Meralco. Once na meron silang nakitang advantage, they will go for it. Lalo pag nakita nila si Karakot, is ayun yung point of attack eh. Tapos sinamahan pa ng 4-point shot na Banquero. Kaya napilitang magkaroon lang ng limited minutes si Andre. Tsaka grabe yung confidence ni Newsome in this game eh. Just attack and attack. In the third quarter, the Meralco's game is easy actions. They will just involve the bigs of Rain or Shine sa PNR to have a switch on Newsome. Then alam nyo na yung mangyayari. New will just create and good things happen for Meralco Bolts. Kahit dito, si Santi naman yung naka-Newsome. Mintes, pero dahil wala sa paint si Santillan, nawala din yung rebounder ng Ross. Kaya Almasan with the putback. Sa endgame, grabe yung Adrian Nocum. Hits a 4-point shot. Then mainit na siya eh. And after the layoff of Mamu, siya rin yung naka-putback. Natabla ng Rain or Shine sa 77. Pero after the timeout ng Meralco, they never look back. Same strat. Newsome gets Chongson. Again, nawala sa paint yung rebounder. The reason para makuha ni Hadj yung offensive board. With that, wala kasing naging defensive schemes yung Rain or Shine sa attacks ni Newsome at ni Chris Banquero. Kumbaga, inabuso lang ito ng Meralco Bolts. Wala namang problema sa individual defense, kaso lang sobrang talented creators nung dalawa. Kaya need pa rin talaga ng schemes on how to close the gap or i-close yung mga driving lanes. Tingnan nyo dito, walang idea kasi si Nocum kung ano yung gagawin when Newsome uses the screen. Sobrang laki ng space. With that, ito na yung dagger to end the conference for Rain or Shine and Gabe Norwood. Meralco sa semis kontra TNT. Thank you, Gabe Norwood. So, what's really next for Rain or Shine? Wala na silang Gabe Norwood. They build that identity around him also eh. That defensive mentality. So far, wala pa rin talagang katulad kung ano yung madadala niya eh. Actually, malungkot lang kasi yung Kit Dato lang naman eh. It could have been a different story. Tsaka yung kalaban nila is hindi mahinang number 7. Na-fall lang yan dyan dahil sa East Asia Super League nila na stint. Next, in terms of coaching is okay naman. No need for talks dito unlike sa Converge. Sa players or trades, right now, yung naging butas lang naman kapag big games ay si Andre Karakot kasi nagiging point of attack ng offense. Lalo pag Meralco na maraming kumakain sa isolation. Pero paano natin ma-assess yung value niya? Do other teams need him? For Clarito naman, sayang kasi gigil siya all game long. Hindi niya nagawa or hindi niya napakita yung usually impact niya for Rain or Shine. But Nocum and Chongson is a keeper. Pag Commissioner's Cup naman, big man yung import. So malalaro na ni Kaylan yung natural position niya na 4. Overall, wala naman dapat baguhin talaga for Rain or Shine. They just need to add more. Kasi kung maalat ang big man, Coach Sheng can find versatile undersized bigs tipong kaya maglaro ng 3-4-5 para kahit limang 6'5" is pwedeng magsabay-sabay, which happen often with Gabe, Santi, and Kaylen. Okay naman na yung small forward stat nila with Clarito and Malonzo. Sa guards naman, maraming choices. Yung Mamu and Nocum combo is okay. Kumbaga, need to improve na lang talaga eh. And not much changes. Again, yun nga, additional pieces like sa slot ni Gabe, yung kay Villegas, si Belga, hindi na nagagamit. So, sa tingin nyo, sino mga free agents yung pwedeng makatulong sa Rain or Shine next conference? So, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Agon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, everyone!